In today's video, we are going to be breaking down 3 different ways that will help you guys stay safe and avoid losing money when you are flipping phones. Since I have started my YouTube channel, I have gotten numerous messages from you guys telling me that you are skeptical in getting into phone flipping because of the sketchy aspects of the business. And I have to agree with you. There are some parts to the phone flipping business that can be really sketchy if you don't handle it the right way, especially when it comes to meeting people in person or selling your items on platforms like eBay. But in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 big things that will help you stop losing money and stay safe when you are flipping phones. The first and one of the most important things that you need to know when it comes to staying safe when flipping phones is that when you're buying phones from people on Craigslist, you need to meet them in a public place. This is super important. You guys should not be meeting people in random parking lots. You should not be meeting people at their houses or anything like that unless you know the person personally and you have been talking to them for a long period of time. So do not do that. Always meet in a public place. This is something that I always follow when it comes to my business, and I've even had situations where people have asked me to come out of the McDonald's that we were supposed to meet at and they want to meet in the parking lot. Never do that. That is super sketchy. You always get there first before the person you're meeting. It doesn't have to be super long beforehand, but just get there first and then meet inside of the public place and don't come out. Just ask them to come inside, tell them that you're inside, and let them know beforehand that you're gonna meet inside of a public place. This is super important. And I even used to meet at police stations. That's how careful I was. And I was actually meeting like inside of police stations. And I would just let everyone in there know that I was doing like a Craigslist deal. And they were pretty cool with it. So it didn't matter. But you don't actually have to go that far. Just meet inside of a public place because it guarantees that you're safe, because there's workers there. There are a bunch of other people there that know probably what you're doing and they can see what is going on. So if that person wants to steal the phone or steal the money from you, they're gonna get caught because there are so many people watching them and see what they're doing. The second tip I have for you guys when it comes to staying safe when flipping phones is that you should be paying people via Cash App instead of regular cash. If you guys do not know what Cash App is, it's basically an application like PayPal but easier to use. You can just basically connect it to your bank account and then send people money via that app. And this is something I started doing really recently, probably just a couple weeks ago, and it's super easy. First of all, it saves time because I don't have to go to the bank every time I want to meet someone for a phone deal, and it also keeps me safe because people know that I'm going to be paying them with an app instead of having a bunch of cash in my pocket. I let people know beforehand on the phone when I'm meeting them, and I ask if it's okay to pay them via Cash App. That's what I do, and usually they're fine with it. If they say no, usually I'll just tell them to download it or tell them like to kind of just get it so that I feel a little bit safer not carrying like $600, $700, $800 in my pocket. Paying with Cash App doesn't matter as much if it's like a $100 to $200 deal, but it really matters if it's like a $500 plus deal. From now on, I'm probably going to be doing all of my deals with Cash App just because it makes me feel a lot safer, and it's really a time saver. All you have to do is let people know beforehand you're going to pay them with Cash App, and it's super easy from there. If you guys are interested in using Cash App, I do have a link for it down in the description, and you can actually get a $5 bonus if you sign up with my affiliate code. It does support the channel because every time you sign up with that link, open an account, I get a $5 bonus and you get a $5 bonus. And my bonuses from this video will actually go towards a video I want to make for the channel next week sometime that does require some capital. So depending on how much money I make from this, that determines how much I'm going to use for this next awesome video I have planned for you guys. So if you guys want to kind of utilize that $5 bonus for Cash App, all you have to do is use my affiliate link or someone else's affiliate link, and then you have to connect your bank account to that Cash App, and then you have to send money. So you have to actually utilize the app before getting the $5 bonus, but it's super easy. All you have to do is use an affiliate link, connect your bank account, and then send money of at least $5. And if you don't have anyone who you know that has Cash App, you can feel free to send that money to me and I will be sure to send it back to you. All you have to do is put a little memo in there and say, please send this back, or send back please, or something like that, and I will send it right back to you, and then we will both get a $5 bonus. So again, guys, if you do not have Cash App already, it's a great way to stay safe when phone flipping because it doesn't have you actually carrying a bunch of cash, and it will reduce your chances of anyone trying to rob you. So I definitely recommend you sign up for Cash App using the link down below if you have not already made an account. And guys, with that all being said, let's move on to the last tip. The third and final tip I have for you guys when it comes to staying safe when phone flipping has to do with selling on eBay. And on eBay, I've had a lot of bad experiences, and for that reason, I do not recommend that you guys sell any items priced over $400 on eBay. It is very likely that you will get scammed after selling on the platform for a while, because I have been selling on eBay for a long period of time, and I've already been scammed out of about $1,000 while selling on the platform. And for that reason, I have completely stopped selling my items priced over $400 on eBay, because that is what scammers try to target. They try to target people who are selling super expensive items, and they will try to scam them. And there's honestly almost no way to prevent these scams unless you stop selling those high-ticket items altogether. So for that reason, guys, do not sell really expensive items on eBay. Just because the platform is broken, there are really easy ways to scam people, and for that reason, it's super unfortunate, but I recommend that you're selling your higher-ticket phones to either private buyers or you're selling them locally. It's okay to sell your lower ticket phones on eBay simply because it's so nice to have them sell fast, and it's very unlikely that you'll be scammed with those products. Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that's gonna about wrap up today's video. I know it was a really short video today, but I am positive I packed a lot of value into a short amount of time. So if you guys did find this video helpful, please be sure to drop a like and let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel if you have not already, to be in the first 2,000 subscribers.